Sometimes you're in the middle of a 1-month filming challenge, you're trying to get a video out and you have 2 hours to make and edit it. Right now we're going to talk about how to make time for filming, especially when you're in a rush, hurry. Sometimes you need to slow down and have a plan and something ready to execute before. When it comes to having a plan, you don't always need a long detailed script or everything written out. Sometimes you just need a mini framework or an outline, something to go off of so you can reference it while you're filming. The whole point of this is so you don't have to do a bunch of retakes. You know what you're gonna say, you just make it quick and easy to follow. When you're in a rush, you need to optimize everything, not just what you're gonna say in film, but also the gear you're gonna use. An action camera or a smartphone are perfect for on the go. The Go 2 right here can film in 180-degree field of view in the pro video mode, and I can reframe it to 9:16 for like TikTok or Instagram, or 16:9 for YouTube, and it's perfect for on the go clips. Let's switch over to it now. All right, so now that we're on the Go 2, let's talk about some of the reasons why I love this camera. I can set it up on my dash while I drive. It already comes with everything I need within the box. It comes with 3 specific mounts: a hat mount, which I have right here, a medallion, and this slide mount that has a sticky bottom. That allows me to just get some cool, quick access for filming. I've got the rest of the kit that I got a lot of as a gift for my birthday, which is awesome. Thank you, DC. And that flushes out a lot of this system, allowing me to do a lot of versatile things. I love this hat mount. It allows me to do some cool stuff while I'm driving, get some weird different angles. Here's the little sticky mount that I had on the dash. You can do some awesome things with this, and this camera is great for hiking. The magnets are pretty strong in it. I've fallen off a motorcycle, which I've shown before, or I'll show it again real quick. I mean, I love being able to show off something that looks like my eyes and what I see. I mean, check this out. This is pretty cool. What are they doing? Are they fixing the power? They've been cutting branches and stuff recently, so maybe now they're repairing the lines? Not sure just yet, but that's pretty cool. Let's get a look out the window if I can. I don't know if the camera can reach that. That's pretty sick. As you can see from all the stuff that I just captured, I really love action cameras and smartphones for filming, especially when you're on the go. They can allow you to get some crazy shots and just keep everything easy and simple. I'm hands-free right now and I don't have to think about anything other than pressing record. Oh, I hear some sirens somewhere. Where are those coming from? Woo! My man is flying. See, look at all these cool things I'm able to catch on the way to the grocery store. There's some interesting stuff happening today. It's windy out. There's probably a lot of accidents. People are preparing for the winter storm, as you saw with those branches. I love filming with action cameras and smartphones. They allow me to just keep hands free and just get the shot when I need to. But I just wanted to end the video out by saying, not every video has to be 10 minutes long. You can make it quick, especially if you're doing something like I am, where you have a 31-day video challenge. Just make sure that you're giving good, informative information, you have some nice B-roll, and keep people's attention. I'm Brad G Media signing out. I hope you all are having a blessed day. I sure know I am. I will see you all tomorrow. Peace.